Hi kids, good morning. Let us learn the phonic drill. I, t, id. B, id, bid. D, id, did. K, id, kid. L, id, lid. I, g, ig. B, ig, big. D, ig, dig. F, ig, fig. P, ig, pig. I, in. B, in, bin. D, in, din. P in pin, T in tin. Ip, ip. D, ip, dip. H, ip, hip. L, ip, lip. Z, ip, zip. It, it. B, it, bit. H, it, hit. K, it, kit. S, it, sit. Now let us look at the picture, say their names and write them. What is this? This is a kid. Small letter K, I, D. This is a sky letter, so it should touch the top line. What is this? Pig. P is a ground letter, so it is touching the down line. I and G is also the ground letter. P-I-G, pig. What is this? Zip. Z-I. P, zip. Again, P is the ground letter, so it is touching the down line. This is sit. S-I-T, sit. This is a sky letter, so it is touching the top line. Kid, pig, zip, sit. Here, you need to copy the words. See these words, say and copy down in this box. Thank you. Hi kids. Now we are going to write the jumbled letters in page 30. Find out the correct word and write them in the space provided. So, can you see the picture? What is this? This is a lips. L-I-P-S, lips. V-A-N, van. T-A-P, tap. N-E-T, net. L-E-G, leg. P-I-N, pin. G-E-M, gem. D-O-G, dog. Please copy down these jumbled letters in your term book and write neatly. Bye-bye.